Hey guys, sorry for the wait, but I've been a bit busy recently with school. Today, I thought I'd do something a little different. I'm making a car on camera for the first time. It's the same car I made last time, but it has more details and things all around it, making it more of a challenge. I think this is going to be fun. Let me know what you think in the comments. But with the introduction out of the way, let's get started. First, I'm going to grab my reference image. Now I'm going to adjust it to fit. Duplicating it for the side POV. Okay, now it's time to start building. Well, looks like I did it wrong. So restarting. Starting with the rims. The pause is so long here cause I was eating, but I won't put you through that. And we're back. Going to use the mirror modifier, so the car is the same on each side. I extruded out the front bumper. Was having problems trying to get the vertices flat, but I figure it out later. As you can see, it would curve, and I didn't want that. I figured out how to flatten it. It was scale Y0. Making the rear bumper now. Duplicating the vertices and flipping them for the bumper. That way I get better symmetry. I realized something midway through modeling. I didn't add reference for the rear or top of the car, so that's what I'm doing here. Had to adjust and line these up so much. They were still a little off, but it didn't matter enough to mess up the model. So now all the references are set up, I can continue. I decided to add the details later, so I'm leaving the bumpers flat for now. Connecting the front in the middle. Just fixing up some things. Going to work on the back now, so I'm hiding the front of the car. Adding edge loops makes the round look I want. I know I started doing it again, but I made it flat later. Same here. Extruding out the hood and filling up the little gaps. decided it would look better as one piece. This is an example of the references, just not fully lining up. But like I said, I only need a rough outline of the car. Using this little piece to pull out the side of the windshield. Filled in this little spot. Then started with the roof. I'm trying to make a nice round look for the roof. So I used edge loops again to make it a bit smoother and rounded. Now for the back leading into the trunk. Time to start filling in more of the rear bumper. Here's where I made it flat again. I adjusted the references one last time. Then started the trunk. Had to make this little hump. Now it's time for the worst part. Trying to make this outline for the rear lights took forever. Okay, I think it's looking pretty good. Here's a little 360 for you guys. Time for the headlights. This didn't take long at all. Well, we're done. For now at least. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you did. Let me know what else you want to see in the future. But that's about it. See you guys next time.